Greetings and welcome to Rudy King's. Today we have Wow, look, Burger King gives you like a little coupon catalog when you order things now.
That's nice.
They have buffalo chicken strips.
Isn't that what you got?
I did.
Okay.
Yeah, but you have an advertisement for the Angry V Whopper.
Click
Click the link below to see my review of the Angry Whopper. You'll be glad you did. Today, we have Burger King's buffalo chicken strips. Wow, those are sure orange. And soggy. Those don't look healthy or appetizing.
The more orange they are, that means the better they are.
Wow. I took a sniff and it stung my nostrils with their vinegar acrid scent. Here's a little nugget of buffalo-ness.
Looks like orange chicken.
It's slimy, chewy, and tastes like cheap wings slathered in bad wing sauce to the point that they're soggy. They taste as though they were crispy at one point, and then doused in sauce. And they absorbed it like little chicken sponges. That's not really how buffalo wings should be. They shouldn't have the consistency of wet newspaper. But maybe the problem is that we're not having it with ranch.
Before you put ranch on there, what grade do you give these?
D-.
Alright, let's see if we can bring up the grade here.
Well, it does complement the buffalo sauce. So flavor-wise, it's an improvement. But the main problem is that texture is just rubbery. It's just not good.
Did you say It's not good?
Well, when I say not good, like in a relative sense, I mean.
So they're tasty.
I mean, if I was at a grade on a curve, these would get like a fail. But if there was no other like buffalo wings to compare them to on the planet Earth, they would get like a C.
Well, that's really bad then, really. So you would never order these again or recommend these to anyone?
Not really. I mean, if you're in a pinch and you absolutely had to have something buffalo flavored, I mean, I guess. But that's pretty much the most I could say about these. I guess.
Did you ever feel like after doing a review and not liking something, you could just go inside Burger King and be like, would you like to watch this review I just made and how horrible this is? I want a refund.
Then I'd have to talk to people. I don't like to engage in conversation if I don't have to. Think he wants some?
I think he does.
So that was pretty disappointing.
Yeah, they look disappointing.
And they were. So they lived up to their promise.
The bag also doubles as a napkin.
Yes, if you're in a survival situation and you find yourself without napkins, a Burger King order sack can also serve as a napkin. I'm just a disgusting individual.
Burger sack?
Burger sack. So thank you for enjoying me and joining me on this journey of hot wing exploration, buffalo chicken sliminess.
Thank you.
Thank you.